Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set up boot menu on ASP6530B. So let's go, and I will explain the process first to last. Insert a bootable pen drive into your laptop and pressing F9 for boot menu. After coming this one, here you will select USB hard drive and enter, and here you will next install now, and I don't have product key. Windows select next, select next and install. Here system and C drive need to delete. Before need to deleting C drive, you must need to backup your data, otherwise you will lost all the data from C drive. Now you create C drive and install Windows. Okay, select C drive and next. After restarting the PC, you will must remove the pen drive from PC, otherwise your Windows process will start again and again. Thank you so much.